Hi everyone, Tradewinds Travel here. Today we're whisking you away to the stunning shores of Cancun, Mexico. Our destination, the luxurious Breathless Cancun Soul Resort and Spa. This adults-only haven is the epitome of luxury, relaxation, and excitement. Get ready to indulge in world-class amenities, breathtaking ocean views, and unforgettable experiences. Join me as we uncover the magic of Breathless Cancun Soul. We'll explore its luxurious accommodations, dive into its refreshing pools, savor exquisite dining options, and discover the exciting activities that await. Let's embark on this virtual journey to paradise together. Step into a world of elegance and comfort as we take a peek inside the luxurious suites at Breathless Cancun Soul. Each room is a sanctuary designed to elevate your stay. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views from your private balcony. The suites are furnished with plush king-size beds, spacious living areas, and modern amenities. Indulge in a relaxing soak in your in-room jacuzzi. Freshen up in the spa-like bathroom featuring a rainfall shower. Every detail is thoughtfully curated to create a truly unforgettable experience. Choose from a variety of room types, including the stunning ocean view suites. For friends traveling together, there are rooms with 2 double beds, or indulge in the ultimate luxury with the penthouse suites featuring expansive living areas and breathtaking views. Breathless Cancun Soul boasts a stunning pool area that's perfect for soaking up the Caribbean sun. Lounge by one of the rooftop pools overlooking the turquoise waters, sip on refreshing cocktails from the swim-up bar, relax in a private cabana for a more exclusive experience. The pool area is a vibrant hub of activity and relaxation. Enjoy top-notch poolside amenities and service. Lounge on the beach for stunning ocean views and personalized service. Indulge in poolside dining with breathtaking ocean views. Join a poolside yoga class for a serene start to your day, or dance the night away with a live DJ by the pool. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds at the exceptional dining venues at Breathless Cancun Soul. From gourmet international cuisine at Silk City, to authentic Mexican flavors at Picante. Indulge in a romantic dinner overlooking the ocean at Coquette. Enjoy a casual lunch by the pool at Bar Buns. Whether you're craving fresh seafood at Spoon, Italian at Spumante, or handcrafted cocktails at Wink. And don't forget to save room for our exquisite desserts at the Nook. Experience vibrant nightlife with live music and dancing at After Dark. Unwind with a drink in hand at Twist and Squeeze. Start your day with a delightful breakfast buffet at Spoon. Sip on sunset drinks at our stunning rooftop bar Altitude with panoramic views. Breathless Cancun Soul offers a myriad of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. Dive into the crystal clear waters for snorkeling or scuba diving adventures. Stay active with beach volleyball, yoga classes, or dance lessons. In the evenings, enjoy live music, themed parties, and exciting shows. Don't miss out on poolside activities and thrilling water sports. Unwind at the rooftop bar with stunning sunset views and delicious cocktails. Experience unforgettable beach parties with dancing and spectacular fire shows. Indulge in ultimate relaxation at Breathless Cancun Soul's world-class spa. Nestled in a serene corner of the resort, the spa offers a sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Choose from a variety of luxurious treatments including soothing massages, revitalizing facials, and invigorating body scrubs. Experience the therapeutic benefits of hydrotherapy circuits complete with steam rooms, saunas, and jacuzzis. Let our skilled therapists pamper you with personalized treatments designed to melt away stress and tension. For couples, our romantic packages provide the perfect way to reconnect and relax together. Enjoy a private cabana by the beach where you can receive a massage while listening to the gentle waves. At Breathless Cancun Soul, wellness goes beyond the spa. Participate in yoga and meditation sessions to find inner peace. Take advantage of our fully equipped fitness center to stay active during your stay. Rediscover your balance and well-being at Breathless Cancun Soul, where tranquility meets luxury. Imagine saying "I do" with the turquoise Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. At Breathless Cancun Soul, your dream wedding becomes a reality. Our dedicated wedding coordinators are here to ensure every detail is perfect, from the moment you arrive until your last dance as newlyweds. Choose from a variety of stunning venues, whether you prefer a beachfront ceremony, a tropical garden setting, or an elegant rooftop terrace with panoramic views. Each location is designed to create a magical atmosphere for your special day. Our customizable wedding packages cater to your every need. From intimate elopements to grand celebrations, we provide exquisite decor, gourmet catering, and exceptional service. Exchange vows under a beautifully decorated gazebo, with the sound of gentle waves enhancing the romance of the moment. After the ceremony, celebrate with a lavish reception. Enjoy a gourmet dinner prepared by our world-class chefs, followed by dancing under the stars. Our talented team will handle everything, allowing you to focus on creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. For your honeymoon, indulge in luxurious accommodations and endless activities. Relax in a private cabana, enjoy a couple's massage at the spa, or explore the vibrant nightlife of Cancun. At Breathless Cancun Soul, your wedding and honeymoon dreams come true, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Your perfect getaway starts with Tradewinds Travel. Planning your dream escape to Breathless Cancun Soul is effortless with Tradewinds Travel. Our team of expert travel agents is dedicated to crafting personalized itineraries that cater to your desires. We offer exclusive deals, insider tips, and seamless booking experiences. Let us take care of every detail so you can focus on creating unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey to Breathless Cancun Soul. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We're always exploring new destinations and sharing our adventures with you. Until next time, happy travels.